Welcome to a little bit of my life. That is life. Hi, it's Tia here. Morning! Yay! Good morning and hello, beautiful people. So day in a life of a real estate agent can really vary realtor to realtor. My days, I normally like to start out around 5 a.m., 5:30, 6, depending on my day. I will put some hot water in the microwave to make oatmeal. I'm hopping in the shower here. You saw me take my Claritin for allergies. Then before I hop in the shower, I will put on a little voice memo, and it just says empowering things that I recorded for myself. Then I'm just going through here my whole morning routine, which includes obviously brushing my teeth, some self-tanner, aloe vera, which I use on my face. For the first hour or so of the day, I will just wear like sweatpants, comfortable clothes before I change into my actual outfit. I am just doing my hair here, putting in some heat protectant and some oil to keep it nice and long and soft. Then I am just making my oatmeal, and then I have a bar as well, and this is my favorite bar of all time. It's Oats and Chocolate by Fiber One. Here I am getting coffee. I tend to keep my days pretty busy, so coffee, I love it. I've been drinking coffee for a long time. My day also can be very busy, so I like to take time in the morning with my phone off, where I just sit on my yoga mat and kind of do a little bit of meditation. I don't check any emails right away. The very first thing I will do is actually just my gratitude journal. I'll read whatever book I'm reading. And this is just really my time for myself, where I kind of stay centered. That was me doing squats. That is the extent of my working out, but it makes me feel like I'm doing a workout, so I feel good about that. Then I just change and I am out the door. Hello everybody, so it's now about 7:40 a.m. I'm dressed, I've had coffee, I'm feeling good. Usually have a little bit of time between when I drop my little sister off at school, which I just did, and when I go into the office. Today I have a meeting at 8:30 and I have some documents I need to send for signatures before then. Just going to do my makeup here in the car. I have a little makeup pouch that I will put it in. Yes, I do know that it is kind of goofy to be doing my makeup in the car. It just ended up being kind of what worked out well for me for a while. I find, honestly, that as a real estate agent, working within an hour radius, I end up kind of being all over the place throughout the day. So I do actually spend a lot of time in my car. So it kind of serves as my second home from time to time. So this is it, you guys. This is my daily makeup. It's nothing too crazy. I'm actually gonna put on another coat of mascara here. Like to look put together, but also not too overdone. Pretty much good to go. I won't be talking face to face too much, but I'll show you as much as I can. Let's go to the office. So next up, you guys, I am in the office here. I will usually kind of set myself up with my laptop, get comfortable. I actually ended up, the day that I filmed this, winning this award. I got the top listing agent of the month, which was super exciting. I am about 6 months in, maybe a little bit more, but the first few months are really just a lot of training, so it was awesome to be able to get that award so early on. I'll start my mornings out by, once I'm in the office, checking my email and checking the properties that have just hit the market. So on this particular morning, I got the signatures that I needed. I had my meeting, and after that it was about lunchtime. I had done some communicating with buyers and sellers, but then I decided to go home for lunch. Hi, my house to get lunch. It's cute, but I'm not kidding you. I make that face because he's one of the stinkiest dogs I've ever met in my life. A lot of my day honestly ends up being answering phone calls and communicating between clients. I haven't shown them just to maintain confidentiality. Back of my car, I keep a bin of stuff for Goodwill, which is not what I'm showing you, but I'm going to show you how I keep everything all set up for my open houses. I have here my open house sign. It just stays in the back of my car. Over here I have a speaker that I bring to open houses to play this gentle music. We don't rack out too hard or anything. Napkins, because I always grab cookies or treats for my open houses. Of course, business cards, these things. We have these little shoe covers, we call them booties, and I leave them at listings then so people's carpet and floors stay clean. These are little business card holders that I keep at my listings as well. This is for the cookies or treats that I get, same thing. And then this is a little custom sign that I made that matches my business cards. And then this is what I make up for my open houses. It has like a cover sheet that I use Photoshop to make. It has property information, real estate condition report, a little about Tiara in the end. Of course, it's like this car cleaner, stain remover stuff. And of course, umbrellas. So I keep the back of my car set up as a real estate agent for success. Hello! Just finished some showing with a friend of mine. Now 7:25 p.m. I finished replying to emails. A lot of communication between buyers and sellers. Except for showings that I have tomorrow and Sunday. I'm all prepared for my open house. Normally my days are a combination of filling out paperwork and doing showings. Today I had the meeting and actually had a surprising day of no showings, but on days that I don't have showings, I'm usually preparing for showings. So that has been my Thursday. I wanted to show you guys though because I finished up with some work stuff. I'm still texting with a few buyers and sellers right now. Almost like constant communication. My downtime is usually in the mornings and then like from 10 p.m. to 7 or 8 a.m. That's kind of my me time that I need for myself, and I don't do phone or anything. But other than that, I try and do my best to be available to people because it's obviously a process buying or selling a home and there's questions involved, and I want to be reassuring to them. An old client called me today and said like that they were loving moving in, and they told me about the projects that they're doing and they invited me over to their house, and so that was so great, and that is just reassuring for why I love doing what I get to do. To show you guys also, it is today my boyfriend and I's 1 year anniversary, which is crazy. I will be going over to his apartment shortly for our little date night, but I wanted to show you guys I got something. Previously have made Dave, my boyfriend, a photo book when we first started dating. Like 3 months in, I made this rhyming photo book. That was really fun, but it took me forever. So this time for our 1 year, I knew I wanted to do a gift, but I also haven't had time to like hand make something. So I saw an ad actually for like a CVS photo book, and it's a same day pickup. So ta-da! I got a little makeup smudge on it. Hopefully you can't tell that. But this is me and Dave. We met bartending together. So I put some of my favorite photos of us in here. And this is it! Happy 1 year, Dave! So guys, I have a couple more things this week that I will show you that I thought would be fun. I'm going about an hour away tomorrow for some showings with someone who I'm helping sell their house. Open house this weekend I'll show you a few glimpses of, and I am bartending this weekend as well. So it's craziness, but I will take you with me for as much of it as I can and show you a little bit more of days in the life of a realtor. Thank you guys so much for watching this week's video, and I will see you next week. Mwah! Bye!